Although there are several enhancements to the Site Info tool in your site, one of the best ones is going to be an easy and quick way to find out whether or not your site is published so that your students or your participants can see it. I've made this site unpublished, and any site that is unpublished, you're going to see over in the left-hand corner, no matter what tool that you're in, that your site is unpublished, and you can click Publish Now in order to publish that. Before, you would have to go into Manage Access and then click on Publish Site, but now you can just click on Publish Now, and your site is now published, and that item goes away. One of the other new features is if you look under your participant list, you're going to see a last updated time. And what that means is any time that the participant list has been updated, it'll show that here. And that's going to be no matter whether someone in your site, whether you or someone else, has added a participant to the list, or if you have a roster and the roster has been updated and has actually brought in any new students or any old students and made sure the list is correct. We also have additional ways to add in participants or to manage groups. If you click on Add Participants, instead of having to type in all of the different PIDs or official email addresses or non-Virginia Tech emails here, you can actually do that in an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file and then go ahead and upload it here. Very similarly, you can do that with groups as well. If you go into Manage Groups, you'll see an option here to import from file, and you can import a CSV with the group information and bring those in. The last thing is the ability to hide a tool without disabling the tool. Before, if you hid a tool, then it would automatically go in and disable everything. So let's take a look at that. If you go into the Page Order tool, you'll notice that you have several options here. Now the light bulb is going to be whether or not the users in your site can see it, and the lock is going to be whether or not the users in your site can use that tool. So you just have to decide in that option. So now you can actually disable it. You can see that right now Announcements is disabled, and when you disable something, it automatically turns it off so users can't see it. And then once I hit save on this, you'll notice that the announcements here is in italics to let you know, as the instructor or the organizer of the site, that that is currently hidden to your normal users, your students or participants.